In My Heart But Far Away by Marina Abeda. 18 years ago, a baby girl named Marina Abeda was born. Marina was especially close with her dad when she was growing up. At 17 and a half years old, Marina's dad got sick and passed away. June was a hard month for the family. Marina felt so lost without her dad. Death is very hard to take at any age. Marina was stuck in the anger and depression stages. She then remembered her dad, while in the hospital, had planned a trip to California for her family in August. When August came around, everyone was so excited and happy to go to California. Marina wasn't aware, but would soon realize the trip would help her overcome depression and have acceptance to move on through love. Today was the day. The family headed off to California. At their hotel in Anaheim, they could see the fireworks show from Disneyland. Marina and her family went to Disneyland and rode so many rides. She even went on the log ride because it was her dad's favorite ride. While at the park, Marina really wished her dad was there, but she knew he was watching down on them. Later that night, the family went to the parade and watched all the beautiful lights and characters pass by. Marina finally realized it was okay to let go. Thinking about how her dad planned this trip and knowing he wants them to move on and be happy, she knew this trip was her sign to move forward with her life. The next couple of days, Marina and her family drove to San Diego. They went to the zoo and couldn't believe how big it was. They also had gone to the beach and played in the water. While on the beach, they even saw dolphins swimming in the distance. The family made their journey back home and all were so happy. The trip helped everyone realize death is okay and a part of life, but we can't just put everything on hold and shut down. Acceptance is the hardest thing, but your loved one is no longer hurting and in a better place. They will always be with you and watching over you. The end.